You know your data is valuable, but how do you transform it into massive success? 2 words: data visualization. Bring your data to life with real-time dynamic storytelling. Build relationships between data points to answer tough questions, spot trends, and discover patterns in a way traditional reports cannot. Transform abstraction into insight and make better decisions. Harness live data to share and exchange ideas visually for real-time collaboration across teams. Transform raw data into brilliant presentations and get instant ahas from your audience. Get it all with the power of visualization. Only All offers you comprehensive and consistent data visualization capabilities. Complete, connected, collaborative, choice. Plus, instant connections and all the expertise and experience you expect. All. See data differently with data visualization.